Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today we are going to take some problems on partial differential equation of order 1, that is Lagrange's linear equation. So our first problem is solve yzp plus xzq is equal to minus 2xy. So or you can write this problem also this way, yz into dabba z by dabba x plus xz into dabba z by dabba y is equal to minus 2xy. So this is the given Lagrange's equation. Now we have to solve this. So how to solve such type of problems? Our first method is first write given differential equation in the form of pp plus qq is equal to r. So if we compare this differential equation with this, then we can write this p is equal to yz, q is equal to xz, and r is equal to minus 2xy. So how we solve solution of such type of differential equation? First, we have to write first auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation is here dx upon p is equal to dy upon q equal to dz upon r. Notice this pqr here. Pqr are the functions of xyz. So here p is equal to yz. So if you put p is equal to yz, then this is equal to dx upon yz is equal to dy upon q is xz. Q is here xz and is equal to dz upon r is minus 2xy. So this is the symmetrical simultaneous differential equation, that is in the form of dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. And in last video we already seen how to solve such type of symmetrical simultaneous differential equation. So there are two methods. First one is method of grouping. That method is called as combination method, and second one is method of multipliers. So I think here we can use method of grouping. Using that method we can find two solutions of this differential equation. So how we choose first group dx upon p equal to dy upon q if z is missing from that or maybe cancel. So if you observe here dx upon yz equal to dy upon xz, so here z get cancel. So we can choose here first group is equal to dx upon yz is equal to dy upon xz. So here zz get cancel. So using this we can write dx upon y equal to dy upon z. And how we solve this differential equation? This is the first order ordinary differential equation. And how we find solution of such type of differential equation, you already learn in 12th standard. There are so many methods how to solve ordinary differential equation, in which one method is done in 11th or 12th standard, that is variable separable form. So we can separate here variable easily. Here x not z, z get cancel. So we can separate here variable easily, means write x in one side, y in one side. So by variable separable form, this can be written as x dx is equal to y dy. Okay, variables are separated here. So integrate. How we find solution of given differential equation? By taking integration. So if we take integration here, integration of x dx is x square by 2 is equal to integration of y dy is y square by 2 plus constant of integration say c1 by 2. So this 2 get cancelled. Solution is x square minus y square is equal to c1. So this is the first solution. Okay, now to find same second solution of this auxiliary equation. Now how we choose second group here? First, from first group we get this solution. Can we take or can we choose or shall we choose here dy equal to dz? When we choose dy equal to dz if x is missing, I think if we take here group dy equal to dz, x get cancelled. Means this problem is very simple. So choose second group here. Second group is equal to dy upon xz is equal to dz upon minus 2xy. Okay, so this x get cancelled. This can be written as dy upon z is equal to dz upon minus 2y. And how we solve this differential equation? Again by variable separable form. So how we separate here variables? Write all terms of y in one side and all terms of z in another side. that is 2y dy is equal to z dz. Okay, and so this is one differential equation again. And how we take solution? By taking its integration. So integration of y dy minus 2 as it is, integration of y dy is y square by 2 is equal to integration of z dz is z square by 2 plus constant of integration say c2. So this 2 get cancelled. We can write here minus y square is equal to z square by 2 plus c2, or if we write this minus y square this side, then this becomes z square plus 2y square is equal to minus c2. We can write c2 dash or c2. So this is the second solution. Now these two solutions are the solution of this auxiliary equation, but our question is solve this. We want solution of this Lagrange's equation. So how we write final solution of given Lagrange's equation, that is f of uv equal to 0 or f of c1 c2 equal to 0. Now what is the value of c1? That is f of c1 is here x square minus y square, and c2 is z square plus 2y square equal to 0, means this is c2 and this is c1. So this is the final solution of given partial differential equation. So next example is solve y square p minus xyq is equal to x into z minus 2y, means directly given differential equation is given in the form of pp plus qq is equal to r, where p equal to y square, q equal to minus xy, and r equal to this. So using this we can write auxiliary equation is dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Notice pqr here, this is equal to dx upon p is y square is equal to dy upon q is minus xy, equal to dz upon x into z minus 2y. Okay, now how we find solution of this symmetrical simultaneous differential equation? If we choose, again we can use here grouping method. We can take group, first group dx equal to dy because z is missing here. So choose first group is equal to dx upon y square equal to dy upon minus xy. And how we solve this differential equation? Here one y get cancelled. Again if we take cross product or by variable separable form, here minus x dx is equal to y dy, and take integration of this, then we will get solution minus x square by 2 is equal to y square by 2 plus c1 by 2. And if we write this term in LHS, then we get both minus sign, and if we transfer this minus to arbitrary constant, then this becomes x square plus y square is equal to c1 dash or c1 constant से कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So this is the first solution of this auxiliary equation. Now we have to choose second group for second solution here. So is by grouping method second solution is possible here? Yes, dy upon minus xy equal to dz upon x into this. We can choose this group because x get cancelled. So choose second group here. Second group is dy upon minus xy is equal to dz upon x into z minus 2y. Okay, so this x's get cancelled. How we solve this differential equation? Here in LHS all terms of y present hai, but in RHS mixing term hai z minus 2y. So for solving this problem you have to take again cross product because variables directly separate nahi ho rahe. So if we take cross product of both sides, then we will get z minus 2y into dy is equal to y into dz. Okay, so this can be written as z dy minus 2y dy is equal to y dz. Now how we solve this differential equation? देखो इस टाइप का differential equation आया तो क्या करने का, जिस टर्म का हम इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड कर सकते हैं उस टर्म को एक साइड में लो. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर z dy का हम इंटीग्रेशन नहीं फाइंड कर सकते, कीप एज इट इज, बट y dy का फाइंड कर सकते. इसको इस साइड में लो और इसको इस साइड में लो. ओके, so z dy, so here if you take cross product, here minus sign is, so here minus y dz. Okay, here minus y dz. If you write in LHS, that becomes plus y dz is equal to 2y dy. Okay, now how we solve this differential equation? By taking integration. So integration of z dy plus y dz is equal to 2 into integration of y dy plus constant of integration c2. How we take integration of z dy plus y dz? We know that z dy plus y dz is the derivative of z into y, is equal to 2 into integration of y dy is y square by 2 plus constant of integration c2. How we write here derivative of z into y? Using u into v rule. Suppose z as it is derivative of y is dy plus y as it is derivative of z is dz, that is derivative of zy, and if we take integration then derivative integration get cancelled, so this is yz is equal to y square plus c2. So this is the second solution of given differential equation, and therefore final answer is f of c1 c2 equal to 0, that is f of x square plus y square, and using this, what is the value of c2? Yz minus y square equal to 0 is the required solution of given differential equation. Now next problem is solve zp plus yq is equal to x, or we can write this z into dabba z by dabba x plus y into dabba z by dabba y equal to x. So how we solve this again? Zp plus yq equal to x, given that is pp plus qq is equal to ra. So from this first write auxiliary equation dx upon p equal to dy upon q equal to dz upon r. So p is equal to z, q is equal to y, r is equal to x here. So dx upon z is equal to dy upon y equal to dz upon x. Okay, now we have to solve this symmetrical simultaneous differential equation, and for solving this we have to find two solutions of this. We know two methods. First one is grouping method and second one is multiplier method. So shall we use here grouping method? Yes, we can take group first, dx upon z equal to dz upon x, because y is missing. So dx upon z equal to dz upon x, if we choose group, then by variable separable form we can separate variables, that is x dx is equal to z dz, and if we take integration then we will get x square by 2 equal to z square by 2 plus c1 by 2. So using this we can write first solution here, x square minus z square equal to c1. Now we have to find second solution. So for second solution here, differential equation is dx upon z equal to dy upon y equal to dz upon x, and how we choose second group? So second group is not possible here, because if we take dy equal to dz, then x is present. If we take dx is equal to dy, then z is present, and dx equal to dz से already हमने solution find किया. So how we solve, how we find second solution? देखो first and last से variable separate होते हैं, सिर्फ problem ये term करती है, तो we can use here combination plus multiplies, means dy upon y, ये जो ग्रुप है मैं इसको इक्वेट करता हूँ dx प्लस dz अपॉन x प्लस z से, मीन्स इफ यू टेक वन वन मल्टीप्लायर शेयर, इसका वन मल्टीप्लायर लिया, इसका वन लिया, दोनों के एडिशन करके हम dy से इक्वेट कर सकते हैं. So dx plus dz upon x plus z we can equate with dy upon y. Now here variables are separated, integrate. So integration of dy upon y is equal to integration of dx plus dz upon x plus z. Okay, so what is integration of dy upon y is log y is equal to integration of dx plus dz upon x plus z, that is using f dash upon f, and f dash upon f is log of f, that is log of x plus z, because derivative of x plus z is dx plus dz, and plus take constant of integration log of c2. Okay, so after simplification this log y minus log of x plus z is equal to log c2. We know that log a minus log b is log of a by b, that is log of y upon x plus z is equal to log of c2. So this log get cancelled. Answer is y upon x plus z equal to c2. So this is the second solution. Therefore final answer of given problem is f of c1 c2 equal to 0, that is f of c1 is x square minus z square and c2 is y upon x plus z equal to 0. Okay, now we will try some problems at home. First problem is this. solve yq minus xq equal to z. Yq minus xq equal to z. Then second problem is px minus qy equal to 2x minus z. So these are simple problems. Using grouping method we can find both solution here. So in next video we will take some problems on multiplier, method of multipliers. Thank you.